Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burrito bowl rice easy guide. Rinse 2 cups of long grain rice until the water runs clear, then toast it in a tablespoon of oil for 2 minutes. Add 5 cups of warm broth, bring to a simmer, cover tightly, and reduce to low heat for about 18 minutes. Let it rest covered for 5 minutes before fluffing with a fork. Warm and simple. After fluffing your rice, immediately squeeze 1 lime over it and gently fold to distribute the citrus. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of ground cumin and half a teaspoon of chili powder, stirring so spices bloom in the warm grains. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro and 1 tablespoon of butter, then taste and adjust salt to preference. This creates a lively, restaurant-style base for any burrito bowl. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making simple recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and makes post-cooking cleanup effortless, which pairs nicely with busy kitchen life. Check the description for the link and other deals to learn more, and now let's get back to the video. Start building your burrito bowl by spooning a generous base of the seasoned rice into each bowl. Add your preferred protein: grilled chicken, steak, or seasoned shrimp, followed by black beans, roasted corn, pico de gallo, and creamy avocado or guacamole. Scatter fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Finish with a light drizzle of crema or hot sauce and a quick sprinkle of coarse salt for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.